This video and all content on this channel is performed by a pest control professional, and it is always recommended to hire a pest control pro in your area to perform any pest control in or outside your home. Pesticides can harm you and your loved ones. Anyone who is performing the information in this video is doing so at their own risk. If you decide to try the info provided in this video, please always check with the local laws in your area and read the labels of any product you use. The label is the law.
Hey everybody, this is Jason Akers again with Green Acres Pest Control, and today I want to go over another Myth May episode. We're going to talk about bed bugs. A lot of people comment on my videos talking about, asking questions about treatment and the different steps they need to make to do the proper treatment, and they always say, what do I do with my clothes? Do I have to take everything out of my closets, out of my drawers and all that stuff? And the simple answer is no, you don't. In very rare cases are bed bugs actually in your dressers and your furniture. Now, if your dressers are next to your bed, practically touching the bed, you may have a bed bug or two inside your nightstands, inside your dresser drawers, but ultimately bed bugs are not attracted to your clothes. Now, if you have a dirty sock laying on the floor, something like that, they're attracted to your odor. They may go in a sock or, a pair of old pants or something sitting there. They might go into some dirty laundry. But all you have to do is take your laundry, throw them in the washing machine, wash them on high hot water and high hot dryer, and that will kill the bed bugs in your clothing. You don't have to treat them. You don't have to spray them with pesticide. In fact, I recommend not spraying your clothes with pesticide. You'll make yourself sick. But take your laundry and launder them, and you should be fine. If you're worried that bed bugs might be in your dresser, in your clothing, then throw them in the dryer on a cycle and see if you find any in your lint trap. This will show you that you have bed bugs in your clothes, and then maybe you want to dry them or wash them or whatever. But ultimately, I wouldn't waste your time doing all your laundry. That's just a waste of your time. And more than likely, the bed bugs are not there. So stay tuned for another Myth May episode next time.